motorcycles and cross-country, discover the world of off-road on two-wheeled friends. Hello, adventurers and fans of open spaces. Today, we will dive into the fascinating world of cross-country motorcycles and discover the limitless possibilities of off-road. We get a lot of questions about this type of motorcycle, and today we're going to reveal all their secrets. What is a cross motorcycle? A cross motorcycle is a special type of motorcycle designed for off-road riding and obstacle conditions. They differ from road motorcycles with higher clearance, stiffer suspensions, and aggressive tires that allow you to overcome even the most difficult conditions. Where can you ride a cross-country motorcycle? One of the best things about dirt bikes is the ability to ride off-road, including forests, sands, mountain trails, and many other places inaccessible to regular motorcycles. This opens up endless possibilities for adventure and discovery of new places. What are the advantages of cross-country motorcycles? Cross motorcycles open up a wide range of possibilities for lovers of adventure and extreme sports. They are reliable, maneuverable, and powerful enough to overcome any obstacle in your path. In addition, they can be easily adjusted and adapted to specific conditions and driving style. How to safely use a cross-country motorcycle? It is important to always follow the safety rules when using a cross motorcycle. Wear protective gear, including a helmet, motorcycle jacket, pants, gloves, and shoes. Also, be careful off-road and avoid dangerous situations. How to choose the right cross motorcycle for you. When choosing a dirt bike, it is important to consider your own needs and skills. Beginners are recommended to choose light and easily controlled models with moderate power. Experienced motorcyclists can consider more powerful and aggressive models that will allow them to reveal their skills and abilities. Off-road driving techniques. Using a cross-country motorcycle requires you to master a special off-road handling technique. Learn to use the hand and rear brake systems. Learn the correct technique for overcoming obstacles and develop skills for responding to unforeseen situations. Support and maintenance. It's important to have your dirt bike serviced regularly, especially after off-road riding. Check the condition of brakes, shock absorbers, tires, and other important components to ensure the safety and efficiency of your vehicle. Soon you will be able to enjoy exciting adventures on your cross motorcycle, opening new horizons and testing yourself in the most explosive off-road conditions. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and share your impressions in the comments. We wish you many exciting motorcycle trips and unforgettable emotions on the off-road.